NASA wants to turn the sun into a giant telescope. Not metaphorically, literally. But here's the terrifying part. They believe the sun could become powerful enough to photograph alien worlds hundreds of light years away. Not blurry dots, actual planets, clouds, oceans, maybe even cities. But wait, if humanity can use stars as telescopes, then another question appears. What if alien civilizations already know how to do this? And what if Earth has already been watched for centuries? Because according to real physics, stars can bend light itself, and NASA may be preparing to use that power. In 1915, Einstein made a terrifying prediction. Gravity does not just pull objects, it bends space itself. And if space bends, light bends too. Scientists later proved this during a solar eclipse. Starlight passing near the sun actually curved, which revealed something extraordinary. The sun behaves like a gigantic lens, a natural telescope hidden inside gravity. This effect is called gravitational lensing, and the magnification is so powerful, scientists believe it could reveal details on planets impossibly far away. Imagine seeing storms on another Earth, or continents, or lights glowing on the night side of an alien world. But there's one enormous problem. To use the sun this way, NASA would need to send a spacecraft farther into space than almost anything humanity has ever launched. And what waits out there is complete darkness. The spacecraft would need to travel over 550 times farther from the sun than Earth, far beyond Pluto, far beyond Voyager 1. Into a frozen region where sunlight becomes almost meaningless. But at that impossible distance, something incredible happens. The sun's gravity focuses light from distant planets into a narrow beam, a hidden focal point. Like the universe secretly built a telescope out of a star. But NASA would not photograph the alien planet directly. Instead, the spacecraft would capture distorted rings of light wrapped around the sun. Then, artificial intelligence would reconstruct the image, pixel by pixel. A real alien world emerging from warped sunlight. And that's where this story becomes disturbing. Because once humanity gains the ability to see distant civilizations, another question becomes impossible to ignore. What if somebody else already learned how to do this first? Think about this carefully. If humans can use stars as telescopes, then advanced civilizations could do it too, except on a much larger scale. Entire stars becoming giant eyes across the galaxy. And Earth is not invisible. Our atmosphere glows with oxygen. Our cities light up the night. For over 100 years, humanity has been leaking signals into space, which means somewhere out there, another civilization may already know Earth exists. Maybe they watched humanity invent electricity. Maybe they saw our wars. Maybe they are watching right now. And suddenly the universe feels different. Not empty, but silent, like something is waiting. Because if NASA succeeds, humanity will cross a terrifying line. For the first time in history, we will stop imagining alien worlds and start seeing them. Imagine this. Decades from now, the spacecraft finally reaches the focal region. Scientists on Earth wait in silence. Then, the first data arrives. At first, it looks meaningless, just rings of distorted light. But slowly, artificial intelligence reconstructs the image. Clouds emerge, oceans appear, continents sharpen into view. An actual alien planet fills the screen. And then scientists notice something strange, a perfectly geometric pattern near the horizon. Too precise to be natural. The internet erupts, governments panic, and humanity realizes something horrifying. If we can see them, they may already see us too. Right now, NASA is exploring whether the sun can become humanity's greatest telescope. A machine built not from metal, but from gravity itself. And if this works, the first true image of another inhabited world may arrive within the lifetime of people alive today. But here's the question that should keep you awake tonight. If alien civilizations already use stars as telescopes, how long has Earth been inside somebody else's view? And if they are watching us right now, what do you think they see?